Hey Denali, you helping me do some shelving? Come on. Here, what's in here? Come on. Whoa, helper dog. Alright, so we have this big walk-in closet. Dun 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 dun. Put a new fixture in here the other day. Oh, big helper dog is here. And from our last place, we got a bunch of wire shelving that we took along. So this one I found that was, I think the gap here is 43 3/8, but this one measures to like 42 or 41 3/4. So you're not just gonna run it and be a bit of a gap on one side. Big deal. So I'm gonna put the first shelf at 40 inches, 40 3/8 off the floor, and then I'm gonna take down that rod. But gonna put another one up top there, so stay tuned. Want to go look in the kitchen, Denali? She's like, no, leave me alone. So we installed a nice range hood microwave too, but also, oh, hang on, we need some light. Dun 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 dun. Trusty pot light in here. So check this out. Got this pantry going on here, just kicking everybody's rears here. For the longest time this was just stacked full of boxes, but we had to take down, there was some shelving in here, took it all down to get painted and some drywall patched and all that jazz. So excited, big things happening in Friedensfeld, I'll tell you what, boy. So yeah, this house came with these shelves and this tracking, so then we took it out, and then my brother came and did all the drywall patching, and then we got it painted, and then I had to find my, I don't know, these studs are weird in this house, man. So it's an old house. They must have built with what they had. So anyways, back to the closet. All right, first look. Oh boy, that one's a bit higher. I'll have to bring that one down a hair, I guess. But first look, here's the first one. We'll put one up there, take that rod down, and then we're laughing, guys. I know it doesn't have the nice clothes hanging rack, but that'll work. Yeah. All right. Well, lost my helper, but we got the first shelf in and it looks a bit straighter. Took that guy off. Ooh, kind of ugly. So I think I'll go 3 feet up. I'll try to level it a bit better and we'll go from there. So I don't think this floor is level, so what I did, made a mark on my level at 3 feet. That's what I want off this shelf. I leveled it and drew a line up there and then made my 3 foot mark. So now I'm taking my square and squaring off my straight line from my level. I need to extend them over and to get a ladder because I'm short, and then we're laughing. And here's where we'll stop for now. I think I might lift this top one up yet. I'll have to undo my brackets and raise them up, but nice to have a bit more space in between here. But yeah, but also this is pretty high up for short people, so we need a step in here for sure. Need to touch up or get rid of these lines I made, and then we're laughing. Oh, my helper's still gone. All right.